National People's Party kala tyrwa daga kyrteng jong MLA ke NPP na Raksam Kri constituency u Limison D Sangma na ka bynta ka shuki deputy speaker kapala shangthali no hadin ke jingresai no deputy speaker barim u Timothy D Tyrwa hakini ki khindiat singi ya ka kyrteng jong Limison la tyrwa deki MLA jong ka party ba kenthop yo Marcus and Marang baru etim mandal ki badeiru ki menteri sarkar ke jala ya kani ka kyrteng jong Limison na pha henya ka singi sha office tray kam jong lan kumbalong hadu menta wala ka por thap ka kut hadu ka por saubaje Henry na kalyang ka office jong ka assembly kala pentep baki yo priang tangga kyrteng Limison na ka benta ka te ka shuki
Limison D Sangma. Yeah, he is the only one. He has been proposed by Marcus and Mara and Shri Iti Mandal. So he is the only one who has filed.
So when is the last date for filing of
Today
4 o'clock?
Yes, tomorrow is withdrawal and election will be on Friday in the house.
So will there be a need for an election since there's no one to oppose, to contest election apart from himself?
So in any way, I mean, since he will be elected unanimously. So only the announcement will be made by Honorable Speaker on the 12th.
Friday, because there is as per the schedule, tomorrow is the day for withdrawal. In case somebody needs to withdraw, then we may have to have again the announcement for make a schedule for re-election of the speaker. But so far we have received only one proposal and one nomination.